Alright, we got a nice piece of oak here. Not sure what species. About 20 and a half inches. Maybe 21 if you cheat a little. Yep, 21 right there. Nice piece of solid, fairly dry oak. Got a CS590 that I just finished. Used cylinder and piston in it, put a fresh ring. Give it a very mild port job. Intake exhaust and lower transfers. Timing advance just a touch. Nice healthy muffler mod to open it up. And 28-inch bar with a full skip chain. And touch the rakers on it just a touch. And it's cutting pretty good. Very happy with it.
Ah.